and we're going to do some singing and some dancing. Should we do some dancing, Gracie? Should we jump? Hello everybody, good morning, it's Monday. Woo, woo. Woo, woo. Oh, we've got glow sticks. Shake the glow sticks. Oh, hi. Hello, are you all okay? Come on, it's time to do some dancing. Everybody jump up on your feet. Woo. Oh, she blows a kiss. Come here, look to the camera and blow them all a big kiss. Oh, big kisses. Now, good morning, it's Monday and we're going to have a little bit of singing and dancing with Emily and my little friend Gracie. Now, boys and girls, we must start by saying hello to each other. So all you have to do is wave your big arms in the sky. We're going to wave our arms, wave our legs, and even clap our hands, okay? So, good morning to you all. Don't forget to comment below if you're joining in with me. I would love to see everybody that joined in once I have finished my live stream. Give me lots of likes and lots of loves. Right, are we ready for the hello song? Boys and girls, let's all say hello. Say hello. Are you waving, Gracie? Say hello. Hello. Say hello. Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Are you waving?
Hello.
Hello,
everyone. Hello. Hello,
hello to all my friends.
Hello. Hello, everyone. Hello. Hello, everyone. Hello.
Gracie, where's the babies? Are you babies?
Hello.
Hello, baby. Are you a baby?
Hello.
Are you? Hello, babies.
Hello.
Hello, babies.
Hello.
Big waves.
Wave your arm. Wave, wave, wave. Wave your arm. Wave, wave, wave. Wave the other.
Gracie, wave your arm.
Wave, wave, wave. Wave the other. Wave, wave, wave.
Can you wave your leg?
Wave, wave, wave.
Wave your leg.
Wave, wave, wave.
Wave the other.
Wave, wave, wave.
Wave the other.
Wave, wave, wave. Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap.
Clap your hands.
Clap, clap, clap. Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. Say hello.
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 Are you waving?
Say hello. Hello. Say hello. Hello. Say hello.
Hello. Yay! Well done, we have to give ourselves a great big clap after every song because we are so good at singing and dancing. Now, Friday, we had such a funky time. Thank you all for joining in with Raving Fridays, but today, I think we should go a little bit calmer. Now, Gracie, have you been practicing winding up your bobbin?
Yeah.
Have you? How do you wind up your bobbin? What do? You do that, very good. You roll your arms together and then who knows where is the ceiling? Where's the ceiling? Oh, it's up there. Well done. Where is the floor? Oh, it's down there. Can anybody find a window? Where's our window, Gracie? There it is, and who knows where their door? My door is all the way through there. Okay, so wind up your bobbin. Pull, pull, clap, clap, clap. Is that your window? I want to see the best wind your bobbin dancing ever. Are we ready, everybody? Come on, Gracie. Wind your bobbin up, wind your bobbin up. Pull, pull, clap, clap, clap. Again.
Wind your bobbin up, wind your bobbin up.
Pull, pull, clap, clap. Point to the ceiling.
Point to the ceiling,
Point to the floor. Window.
point to the window, point to the door.
Clap your hands
Together, 1, 2, 3. Put your hands up on your knees.
Well done. Can you wind it back?
Wind it back again, wind it back again.
Pull, pull, clap, clap. Keep going.
Wind it back again, wind it back again. Pull, pull, clap, clap, clap.
Point to the
Ceiling, point to the floor, point to the window, point to the door.
Clap your hands
Together, 1, 2, 3. Put your hands up on your knees.
Yay! Well done, everybody. Oh, that was very good. So not only can you wave to me, you can roll your arms and you can point to me. Who knows where their head is? Where's your head? Gracie, where's your head? Oh, it's all the way up there. Well done. Who knows where they're? Where are your shoulders? Here they are. These are your shoulders. Where are your knees? And where are your toes? All the way down there now. A little bit of homeschooling with Emily. Your toes live at the bottom of your leg, which is on then your foot. And at the end of your foot are your twinkly toes. That was good, wasn't it? Now, each time we're going to get a little bit faster. So mummies and daddies don't get too dizzy, okay? Be careful. A big hello to everybody. Thank you so much for joining in with Emily. Live entertainment on a Monday. How much fun. Boys and girls, let's find our heads. Ready? Go. My head,
My shoulders, my knees, my toes, my head, my shoulders, my knees, my toes, my head, my shoulders, my knees, my toes. Let's all clap hands together.
Oh, a little bit faster. Ready? My head,
My shoulders, my knees, my toes, my head, my shoulders, my knees, my toes, my head, my shoulders, my knees, my toes. Let's all clap hands together.
little bit faster, Gracie. Ready? My head,
My shoulders, my knees, my toes, my head, my shoulders, my knees, my toes, my head, my shoulders, my knees, my toes. Let's all clap hands together.
even faster. My head,
My shoulders, my knees, my toes, my head, my shoulders, my knees, my toes, my head, my shoulders, my knees, my toes. Let's all clap hands together.
one more time. Go.
My head, my shoulders, my knees, my toes, my head, my shoulders, my knees, my toes, my head, my shoulders, my knees, my toes. Let's all clap hands together.
Yay! Well done, everybody. Oh, that was fantastic. Gracie, you were super duper. High five. Well done. Can you give one of your big grown-ups a big high five? Can you? Can you go shh like this? Well done. Super duper now. Boys and girls, Gracie, what noise does a monkey make? Well done. What noise does an elephant make? They go. That's right. Use your arm as your long trunk. Ready, Gracie? What noise does an elephant make? Good girl. And what about a tiger? What noise does a tiger make? Do they go, rah? Yay, they do. Now, I want to see the best monkey, tiger and elephant dancing ever. Are you ready? Okay, where's your monkeys?
To the monkey.
Woo, woo, ah, ah, woo, woo, ah, ah.
To the monkey.
Woo, woo, ah, ah, woo, woo, ah, ah.
Monkey, monkey.
Woo, woo, ah, ah,
That's
round.
alright.
Elephant.
To the elephant.
Woo.
To the elephant. To the elephant. That's alright.
Okay, jump.
Jump to the front and back.
Jump, Gracie.
Jump to the front and back.
Well done, everybody.
Jump to
Are you
the front
jumping?
and back. That's alright.
Oh.
To the tiger. To the tiger.
Scary.
Tiger, tiger. That's alright. Jump to the front and back.
Go monkey, jump.
To the front and back.
Go monkey,
Jump to the
Thanks to
front and
everybody.
back. That's alright.
Oh, ready for your monkeys?
To the monkey.
Woo, woo, ah, ah, woo, woo, ah, ah.
To the monkey.
Woo, woo, ah, ah, woo, woo, ah, ah.
To the elephant. The tiger, tiger.
Yay! That was some of the best dancing I ever did see. I thought I was at the zoo. Did you think you was at the zoo, Gracie? Gracie thought I was at the zoo. Now, it's nearly 11 o'clock. Gracie, have you had a wash?
Yeah.
Oh, she has. Have you had a wash? You haven't? Oh, no, neither have I. No. Do you think we should have a wash together? Now, boys and girls, if you have got a bath time sponge, or maybe a sponge from the kitchen, can you go and find one? If you haven't got a sponge, we can use our imagination, or we could use a tea towel, or a favourite teddy bear, or even a toy. I know. Oh, look, she's getting us prepared. I know that Jessie likes to have a wash with his dinosaurs. That's a good idea, isn't it? So, I've got my shower cap on. Have you got a shower cap? Oh, I've got a sponge. Now, Gracie, have you ever been to the farm?
Yeah.
She has been to the farm. And what animals are at the farm? What animals? Which one? Camel. There's a camel at our local farm. Wow. I think you should take me to see the camel. Now, boys and girls, when we feed the camel all of their dinner, we have to wash our hands, don't we, Gracie? It's very important that we keep clean, everybody, and wash our hands. So once we have fed all the sheep and the cows and the camels and the horses and the chickens and everything else at Old MacDonald's farm, we need to have a wash. Should we have a wash?
Yeah.
Now we're going to start by washing our hands. If you haven't got anything, boys and girls, just use your imagination and we can wash together like this. Okay then, are we all ready? I think it's time that we had a wash.
Oh dear,
Look at you.
You got really dirty down
She
at
got
Old
dirty with the
MacDonald's
camels.
farm.
You need to wash
wash
yourself
yourself
all over.
Tell you
Okay.
what, we'll start with your
Should we
hands.
start with our hands? Are we ready, everybody? Where's your hands? Come over here, Gracie. There we are. Where's your hands? Here they are. Ready? Wash your dirty hands. Well done. On this side. Wash them, Gracie. Rub and scrub and rub and scrub and wash your dirty hands.
And now your feet.
Now your feet. Wash your dirty feet. Wash your dirty feet. Rub well done. And rub and scrub and wash your dirty. Gracie, where are your knees? Ready? Wash your dirty knees. Wash your dirty knees. Rub and scrub and rub and scrub and wash your dirty knees.
Now your tummy.
Now your tummy. Wash your dirty tummy. Oh, I've been eating lots of cakes. Where's your tummy? Woo! Rub
Wash your dirty tummy.
Oh, now you're back. Gracie, can you wash my back?
Wash your dirty back. Wash your dirty back.
Rub and scrub and rub and scrub.
And wash your dirty back.
Oh, now your arms.
Wash your dirty arms. Wash your dirty arms.
Oh, don't forget to do your armpits.
Rub and scrub.
Woo!
Wash your dirty arms.
Now your face.
Now your face, close your eyes.
Wash your dirty face.
That's it, all over.
Wash
Don't forget your nose.
Or your nose.
Rub and scrub.
Rub and scrub and wash your dirty face.
Don't forget your neck.
Your neck.
Wash your dirty neck.
That's it, get up.
Behind your ears. That's where the worms live.
Rub and scrub.
Rub and scrub and wash your dirty neck.
And that's the ball.
Your
yes.
hair. Okay, ready?
Wash your dirty
But be
hair.
very careful.
Wash your
Don't get shampoo in your eyes. Rub and scrub. Rub and scrub.
and
Wash your dirty hair.
Oh,
Yay!
yeah.
Well done. Oh my goodness. I think it's time. We all had a little sleep. Who knows how to hop like a bunny? Do you know how to hop like a bunny, Gracie? You have to go. That's my bunny with the big floppy ears. And we're going to skip and we're going to jump. Now, I know those bunnies, they like to go to sleep. So can we all lie down? Everybody lie down where you are. Time to go to sleep. Yes, shall we have a little sleep? Shall we? Shall we see who can sleep until tomorrow? Are you going to sleep till tomorrow, Gracie? Yeah, she is. Okay, let me find. Oh, sleeping bunnies. Hop, hop, hop. Are we ready?
See the bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? They're so still. Are they ill? Wake up soon. Wake up, little
Wake
bunny.
up, ready? Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, 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 hop. Go sleep.
See the bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? They're so still. Are they ill? Wake up soon. Wake up, little bunny.
Wake up! Skip, little bunny, skip, skip, skip. Skip, little bunny, skip, skip, skip. Skip, little bunny, skip, skip, skip. Skip, 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 skip. Woo! It's all skipping. Well done. Night-night. Night-night, Gracie.
Bunny sleeping till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them with a merry tune? They're so still. Are they ill? Wake up soon. Wake up, little
Wake
bunny.
up, jump.
Jump, little bunnies, jump, jump, jump.
Jump, little bunnies, jump, jump, jump.
Jump, little bunnies, jump, 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 jump.
Ready?
Jump, jump,
Hop.
jump. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies, hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop.
And stop. Yay! Well done, everybody. Oh, I thought that one was. You tired? Was supposed to help us rest. There's no resting with those bunnies. Now, who can sit down on their bottom? Can you? Gracie, do you want to come and sit over here by me? Now, we're going to sit down on our bottoms. We're going to clap our hands, stamp our feet, click our fingers, and if you can't click, just do this, and pat our heads. Now, there's lots of standing up and sitting back down. So mummies, daddies, nannies, granddads, big brother and sister, the child minder, reminder, whoever you are, I suggest you just sit down on your bottom. Are we all ready? Okay, Gracie, it's time to do stand up, sit down. Are you ready? Gracie's ready. Boys and girls, mummies and daddies, all together.
Get ready
Let's
to
clap our hands. Ready?
Clap your hands, everyone together. Clap your hands as the music goes around. Clap your hands, getting it
Clap your hands. Ready, Gracie?
Stand up.
Sit back down.
Now stamp your
Stamp your
feet.
feet.
Stamp your feet, everyone together. Stamp your feet as the music
Well
goes around. Stamp your feet, getting it together. Stamp your feet. Stand up.
Sit down. Sit back down.
Click your
Click your
fingers.
fingers.
Click your fingers, everyone together. Click your fingers as the music
Well
goes
done.
around. Click your fingers, getting it together. Click your fingers.
Stand up.
Sit down.
Sit back down, Gracie.
Now, pat your head. Pat your head, everyone together. Pat your head as the music goes around. Pat your head, getting it together. Pat your head. Stand up.
Are we ready?
Sit down.
Sit back
Now,
down.
put it all
Ready?
together.
Faster.
Clap your hands, everyone together.
Feet.
Stamp your feet as the music goes around.
Fingers.
Click your fingers, getting it together. Pat your head. Stand up. Sit down.
Ready, Gracie?
One more time.
Even faster.
Clap your hands, everyone together. Stamp your feet as the music goes around.
Fingers.
Click your fingers, getting it together.
Pat your head.
Pat your head. Stand up.
Sit down. Stand up. Sit down. Yay! Oh, Gracie, are you giving everybody a big clap? Give them a big clap. That was super. Are they all happy? Oh, what happened to your hair? Did you pat your head? Now, are you all ready to practice the hokey-pokey? Now the hokey-pokey starts with our left arm in. Take it out and shake it all about. Now, hello to all of my friends. Mwah. Big kisses and a high five to you. Now, are you ready to do the hokey-pokey? Are you? So, whoever's in the room with you, bring them over onto the dance floor. Oh, Gracie's got Mummy. Is Mummy coming on? She's coming to do the hokey-pokey with us. Now, the hokey-pokey starts with your left arm in. Okay, and then we take it out and we shake it all about. We do the hokey-pokey and we turn around because that's what it's all about. So, let's all together hold hands and do the hokey-pokey. Ready? Go.
Put your left arm in,
Put your arm
your
out,
left
Gracie.
arm out, in, out, shake it all about. Do the
Turn around.
turn around. That's what it's all about. Oh, the hokey-pokey.
Again.
Oh, the hokey-pokey.
One more time.
Oh, the hokey-pokey.
Bend your knees.
Knees bent, arms stretched. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Right arm.
Right arm
Shake your arms. Oh, stamp your feet. Stamp your feet, Gracie. Ready? Go! Hokey-pokey. Whoa, hokey-pokey. Whoa, hokey-pokey. Bend your knees. Knees and arms stretch. Faster. Whoa, hokey-pokey. Spin around. Whoa, jump up and down. Whoa, hokey-pokey. Knees and arms stretch. How do we finish? And that's it. Yay! Well done. Excellent. Woo, body. That was so much fun. Oh, I need another lie down. Shall we go and find those dingle-dangle scarecrows? Shall we? Now, boys and girls, I hope you had lots of fun. That was such a good time. I even had friends. Now, hello to all of the Ruby Doo squad. Yes, hello to you all. Are you all there? Are you out of bed? No, they're not out of bed. Gracie, they're still sleeping with those scarecrows in the field. Come on, let's go and find the scarecrow. Everybody, lie down on the floor and let's find those dingle-dangle scarecrows. Night night, Gracie.
When all the cows were sleeping and the sun had gone to bed,
Up jumped the scarecrow, and this is what he said. What did he say? I'm a dingle-dangle scarecrow with a flippy-floppy hat. I can shake my hands like feet and shake my feet like that. No, Gracie.
when all the hens were roosting and the moon behind the cloud,
Up jumped the scarecrow and shouted very loud. I'm a dingle-dangle scarecrow with a flippy-floppy hat. I can shake my hands like his feet and shake my feet like that. Yay! Well done, everybody. That was amazing. So much fun. I think that we are the best dancers in the world. Now, before we go, I think on Wednesday we should have a superhero. Are you tired? Yeah, you get on. Superhero theme, cake and play. That means if you have got yourself a superhero fancy dress costume, then you need to pop it on. Oh, don't touch the legs. That's it. Now, yes, wear your fancy dress costume, your best superhero costume, and we're going to have a superhero themes live entertainment. So, before we go, we need to practice our Superman dancing, okay? Now, you have to clap your hands, and we need to do our best Superman pose. Wow, look at this. This is a fantastic pose. Gracie, can you do a Superman pose? Can you do one? Yay, well done. Okay, so Wednesday is superhero theme. Mummies and daddies, if you want to join in and put your fancy dress costume on, I'm very sure you might have one in the wardrobe. So let's do the Superman dance before we go. And don't forget to get yourselves a superhero costume ready for Wednesday. Now don't forget princesses are also superheroes. Right then, so boys and girls, mummies and daddies, let's all together do the Superman dance. Clap your hands.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go!
Clap your hands. Ready? Sleep.
Wave your hand,
Wave your hands, Gracie.
hit your right,
Over your shoulder.
speed,
Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
go for a walk,
We'll go for a walk.
let's see you
See you
swim.
swim. everybody. Gracie, come to Auntie Emily. Come here. Quick, we're going to say bye to all our friends. Come say bye. Okay, so, boys and girls, mummies and daddies, thank you so much for joining Emily on her live entertainment on Monday. Don't forget Wednesday, 10:30 a.m, superhero theme. Oh, here she is. Say bye. Bye, everybody. So thank you all for coming to join us. Have you had a good time?
Yeah.
It's time for you to go for a nap. You're going to go sleep? Yeah. No, she's not going to go to sleep. So, boys and girls, I hope you had a super duper time. Can you all shout bye to me? Ah, did you hear them? Yeah. Bye, big bye back to you. Okay, so have a super day. Lots of fun now, and we'll see you on Wednesday morning. Yeah? Okay. Thank you, everybody, and goodbye.